breath for a minute, okay?
No, you just shut the door, my mom! F*** you, bitch! F*** you, you know what, officer? Fuck! You a bug! Fuck those shit! Spitting at us? You can't kick it! Okay. Well...
Oh, shit.
I'm not trying to walk! Get off of me!
You said you're not feeling well. We're gonna get you some medical attention. Looks like you're feeling fine now.
Like, dude.
Quit kicking, man.
Hello, friends. Squink here, former cop, future ham radio technician, here to use my law enforcement background to answer the question that everyone has when watching police body camera footage video. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Oops. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Defendant goes nuts after courtroom verdict. Never seen it? Jumping in blindly, reacting in real time. Here we go.
In Winnebago County, Wisconsin, after a defendant is denied release from jail by a judge, he becomes infuriated and is about to unleash his rage on the officers escorting him out of court.
76.
Yeah, because it's their fault, right?
Come on, man, we gotta get going.
I'm not doing this shit. Don't say and to me, bitch.
And?
Don't say and to me, bitch.
Okay, you're proving everybody's point. That's great.
I'm not...
You go.
For months, don't tell my mother shit.
Chris, it's okay.
Don't tell her shit. No, I don't give a fuck.
Take a breath for a minute, okay?
No, you just shut the door, my mom. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. You know what, officer? Fuck. You a bug. Fuck those shit.
This is a classic example of failure to take responsibility for one's actions. He's freaking out because of the denial of whatever the hell it was that the judge just gave him for whatever crime he committed in the first place. And now he's having an emotional reaction to not getting his way. This is pretty typical with these types. Like, dude, you're not gonna win. You're not gonna win this battle.
Come on. Stop, Chris! How about some more security up on the floor elevator? Come on, man, relax.
You're pushing out my f***ing body. What the f*** is wrong with you?
Relax. Relax.
Yeah, the mom being on the other side of the door is not helping the situation because as she keeps screaming, he's going to have more of an emotional reaction.
Oh, you're choking me. Oh.
Relax.
Kicking, assault on an officer. Also, those body cameras never stay on in fights. Lots of the times those body cameras are affixed to the body via like a strong magnet or like a needle locking mechanism, but they truly almost never stay on during a scuffle.
On you, you're doing it. Relax. You're breaking my...
This guy's just adjusting himself.
Relax. Relax. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, why are you tying it?
It's okay.
I can't feel my
Yeah, if you stop resisting. Chris.
So the reason the handcuffs probably tightened is because they were not double locked. So anytime there's an instance of a struggle or something, those handcuffs, if they're not double locked, they're only going to get tighter around your wrists. So that's why I've always thought it was funny when people start complaining about how they're too tight. Yeah, they're too tight because you started throwing a fit before I could double lock them. You did this to yourself.
Hey.
Oh!
Hey, it's okay, man.
Why'd you do that?
You're not listening.
Stop in my stomach!
Relax.
You just kicked me. I didn't kick you for shit.
Yeah, we literally watched him kick him.
Relax, man. Relax, man. Relax. Let go. Let go.
Emotional instability, ladies and gentlemen.
Let go of him. Let go of my shit. You're okay. You keep spitting at us. You can't kick it. Okay. Well.
Oh shit.
I'm not trying to get off of me! I wasn't trying to.
He's got a felony on him for spitting in my face.
I think he's trying to go in for weapons too here.
I'm not trying to.
Grabbed all my equipment off of me.
Are you done? Are you done?
Oh, my ankle. I wasn't trying to grab your goddamn gun. Because that's all you think of a f***ing danger.
You guys probably think I'm a fucking danger. Yeah, that's exactly what we think, because that's exactly how you've been exhibiting yourself for the last 3 minutes. So yeah,
Okay.
we do think you're a danger.
You're not allowed to kick people like that. Well, that's a felony against you, bitch.
Why don't you just relax for a bit? No, you're going again?
Stop resisting!
You're going again, really?
Stop! Ow!
You're asking for all of this. Oh,
That's
you're still
disgusting.
kidding. Mr. You need to relax. No, you're still fighting, really?
When the suspects realize that their extremities, their hands, their feet are restrained, they usually resort to spitting. That's why there is a state statute and a crime called assault by bodily fluids. Because you can contract a lot of diseases from bodily fluids. So when they're spitting in officers' faces, that's very much a very real crime.
Really?
Let go of my head and maybe I'll stop.
Forget it. It doesn't work that way. You relax.
You Winnebago cops.
Oh my God.
Because you guys are just, that's why you guys kill people.
Yeah.
You pig.
Yeah, so those spit hoods,
That's what we're playing. Yeah, that's what we're playing.
those spit hoods basically prevent the suspect from spitting. They're ventilated so they can breathe, despite oftentimes you hear them say they cannot breathe through those hoods. They absolutely can because they are very well ventilated.
Yeah.
But it just keeps the spit from coming through the hood and onto the officers.
Oh, my wrist.
Well, stop fighting.
Give me my wrist. What are you guys doing to me?
Try to put watch it. He's spitting, he's kicking, he's going for weapons.
I'm bleeding.
Yeah, you need to relax.
You guys just beat the shit out of me.
Yeah, this could all be solved if this kid would just relax. They would have no reason to place him in restraints, into holds.
Secure the head.
What we're gonna do is grab his hands so we can get the hood on that.
They're gloving up because he's spitting.
Hey,
You're breaking my...
Here we go.
You're
Fine.
okay.
You're fine, Chris. Just relax. You little dip. Come on, hey, Chris. Come on, let go.
Get your fingers out of there.
Let go. Let go.
dude,
Thank
call me
you.
a
Thank you. There you go. Now you're good. You're good.
I love when they get offended at someone calling them a dipshit, but they will throw around all the insults all the time. It's hilarious that it can't go both ways in the suspect's mind. Like, if you call them a dipshit, you're the worst person in their mind, but they can call you whatever the hell they want. It never goes both ways. They fail to see that.
Oh, I can't see me. My God.
You need to stop.
All right. See if we can lift him up.
I can't.
Get him on his back. There we go. There. Sit up.
My God.
Sit up. Now bring it around the bed. There you go.
You're okay, man.
No, my rib cage.
Just relax now,
And this
okay?
motherfucker who was kicking me in my damn stomach.
Look at how you're acting.
Because you're kicking me in my stomach.
No one's kicking him, by the way.
And you're the that punched me in my face.
I don't think. Yeah, I think we're gonna put him in a squad.
I can't move my wrist.
Hey, we're gonna lift you up, man.
Take a look at him. We'll get you in a chair.
You're gonna be all right.
Oh, I can't move my wrist.
All right.
Why didn't he need me? My stomach.
You're good. You're okay.
That was.
Hey, you're okay. All right?
Oh, I wanted y'all to shoot me. You want to know something? Who's the one that needed me in my gut?
Just relax.
Who needed me in my gut?
You're just fine. Relax.
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 You said you're not feeling well. We're gonna get you some medical attention. Looks like you're feeling fine now.
Like, dude,
Quit kicking, man.
Dude, somebody needed me in my gut, and I want to know.
We're here to help, all right? So just relax. There you go. Thank you.
these are the types of people that need to have absolute control over the situation. And when they feel as though they're losing control of the situation, they start to freak out like this. This is not about anything or anyone supposedly kicking him in his gut. Like, we've all been watching it this entire time. I never saw that. But if that did happen, it was a result of the struggle that ensued because of this child's actions. Everything was a result and a response to how he began the entire interaction in that little room outside of the elevator. But of course, he's not going to take accountability for that. Why would he?
After over 20 minutes of non-stop resisting, officers were finally able to restrain the suspect and transport him to jail. He was charged with 2 counts of attempting to disarm a peace officer,
grabbing the
battery to
gun,
a law enforcement officer, and discharging bodily fluids. He pleaded no contest to attempting to disarm a peace officer and throwing or discharging a bodily fluid at a public safety worker. The charge of battery or threat to a judge, prosecutor, or law enforcement officer was dismissed. He was sentenced to 4 years of probation and 229 days in jail for each of his charges, totaling 8 years of probation and 458 days in jail. Court records indicate he has since been charged with battery by prisoners on not just 1, but 2 separate incidents. He has also since been charged with threats to cause bodily harm against court staff, resisting, obstructing, and disorderly conduct on yet another separate incident. For all of those incidents, he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
All right, I think the police officers did a very good job. They are going to do what they can to take control of the situation. If he's not going to listen to verbal commands, they're going to resort to paying compliance holds, which is what we saw a few times throughout that video, and other means of trying to get him under control until they get him into a squad car into the jail. As far as the kicking in the chest, I didn't see any of that. If you guys saw something I didn't see, I'd love to know the timestamp. Let me know down below. As far as the grade, I give the police officers give them a 7.8 out of 10. I try to do these videos 3 times a week. I know I have not been very consistent. I'm hoping to change that and actually produce 3 a week, but I appreciate you being here nonetheless. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.